Real quick, I'm in a 2018 Chrysler Town and Country. Now, y'all see this key? Let me push these buttons. You don't hear nothing. None of that work. Now, let me show you something. You see that? Yes, the key works. The car starts with that key. However, the customer's complaining about they have no functions. Now, let me show you something as far as how far we have come as far as diagnosis. All right, y'all see this? Do y'all see that code? That code is in the wireless control module. That's what monitors the key function. You see the name of that code, unidentified key communications. Yes, guys, even the keys are monitored. That's why I say these vehicles have more modules on them than you can think of. Now, the only way to fix this is you can't. Okay, yeah, the button's inside. It's a mechanical thing at this point, internal. All right, but we don't go in here and fix these for customers. We just sell them new remotes, new keys. Okay, now look what I got here. Yes, guys, I got a brand new Mopar no car key. That's right, this ain't no damn eBay, no Amazon, none of that. This is straight quality, all right? Yes, now you can tell it's authentic. Y'all see that Dodge logo on there? Yes, eBay, Amazon keys don't say Dodge. They don't have a Dodge logo on it. It feels authentic. Now, what I'm about to do is program this key to this vehicle, guys. Ooh, you hear that? You can actually hear. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, that's good quality there. Look. Wait a minute. You can't hear nothing. I don't feel no detents going on or nothing. This key just... See, this is original, guys. Now, this key is just old, all right? Things get old and things wear out. Damn, it's okay, when stuff wear out. Let me get this key program. All right, you can see the choices I have, all right? We're going to go with reprogram ignition keys. This function is used to program a key. I know all about that. Continue. Checking ignition status. Checking for pin. Oh, I need the pin. I got the pin right here, though. Let's see what it asks us to do next. Okay, oh, I gotta enter the pin. Okay, pin is now entered. Let me click go. All right, do you want it? Yes. That is the module. Let me click yes right here. Continue. Placing this one in there. Blah, 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 blah. Now what happens? Now, program key, please wait. Oh, I heard the bell. You know what that means? Programming key was successful. Guys, we done. Now let's check the functions. All right, here we go. Hey!